Indian Institute of Information Technology IIT Manipur gi Mari Shuba Convocation gi Thouram ama ngarang MantripukhrI da LEIBA Institute Asigi SWAMI VIVEKANANDA Auditorium Da Pangthokhre Institute asidagi pass taukraba graduate mahiroi singgi oiba convocation Thouram aduda Department of Defense R&D gi hanagi amadi DRDO gi chairman su oiriba Dr. G Satish Reddy na amadi IIT Manipur gi Director Professor Krishnan Bhaskar na mathang sitna Chief Guest amadi President oina saruk yakhi Thouram aduga mari lainana DRDO Government of India gi Chairman amadi Thouram asigi Chief Guest oikhiba Dr. G Satish Reddy na hai IIT Manipur asi Public Private Partnership oiba institution amani Institute asigi campus amana Senapati District amadi campus amana Mantripukhri da leibani institution asina matik chaba mahiroi kaya puthokre institution asi haurakpa matamda mahiroi masing yamlamde adubu haujikti chahi khudingi mahiroi chani dagi hena ming chanduna mahing masing tamdi masimak institution asigi yam chauthok chaningai oiba amani adubu laibak thibadi institution asigi mahiroi sing asi ayambana mapan lamdagi lakpa mahiroi sing na oi Manipur dagi mahiroi di subnatagi ani natraga ahum khaktani institute asina piriba khudong jaba sing asi miyamna launaba honasi maru oina startup ke facilities kaya ama piriba asigi khudong jaba launaba honasi haina mahang makhata ki.
So as rightly the director has appealed to, many and many students across the state of Manipur come and join in IIT Manipur and flourish themselves, excel themselves and contribute to the science and technology development and also contribute to the industrial development of the country and Manipur state very specifically. My best wishes to the entire Manipurians and wish that they will utilize the opportunity of IIT being here at the heart of the state, at the capital, very close to all the secretariat and high court and everywhere centrally located. Utilize the opportunity and flourish yourself and make the state flourish.